The Ministry of Home Affairs has expressed its reservations over the provisions of the Mrssa in which the government intends to set up gates to check the people coming to Meghalaya. This was told by Deputy Chief Minister Prestone Tynsong to HYC members who met him today to seek an explanation on the reports that Centre had asked the government to revisit the Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Amendment Act. The government is also likely to call for a meeting soon with stakeholders to discuss on how to move forward on the matter.
We have requested the Deputy CM that if it is possible, he should supply to us that copy of the MHA so that from our side we'll be able to give a suggestion to the government. And he has also informed us that the state government in the next few days will be calling a meeting of all the stakeholders in order to discuss regarding this letter that has been given by the MHA. After we get that letters, maybe we can give a proper suggestion to the government as to how the government should move forward.
In a press conference held today regarding